Guys, in this video I'll show you how to download GB WhatsApp. Please make sure to watch this video in its entirety to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes along the way. In saying that, let's dive into it. Alright guys, there's a few different places where to download GB WhatsApp, but you must be careful because if you download it from the wrong source or the wrong website, it'll give your phone a lot of viruses and just issues that you want to avoid. So with this tutorial I'm going to show you the right place where to get it. So first things first, head over to a web browser and search for Google. Just going to click into that. Alright, now you want to search for GB WhatsApp Pro download. Click search. And then here click on your first result from gpapps.org.bk. And scroll down, click on GB WhatsApp. I'll do that now. Scroll down, click on download, go to download page, take it to another page, scroll down and click on the first one here, GB WhatsApp download, and file might be harmful, click on download anyway. Alright, it's downloading in the background here. We'll wait for that to finish. I'll head over to my downloads and it's got 40 seconds to go. I'm going to pause the video until it's finished. Alright, the download is finished, so I'm going to click onto it to install. Alright, do you want to install this app? Click on install. Wait for it to install. Alright, app is installed, so now go ahead and click on open. Click on allow, allow again. Click next. Click on agree and continue. Put in your phone number, which I'll do now. Click on continue. Click on allow. Alright, there's my profile picture from WhatsApp. So I'm going to type in my name. Click on next. Initializing. Please wait a moment. Here's some stats here. We're at volume 17.57. Click on OK. And there you go. WhatsApp GB has been installed onto your phone. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot.